So you've got two beautiful sections here, newly created, and you're playing around with full sun, or mostly full sun, whereas you've had shade in the past. So you have some stuff on the other side. You've got Baptisia, you've got some astilbes, which will probably be fine in this light conditions. You've got some heuchera, which might be fine. You've got some tall garden phlox. You've got some sedum, okay? And you've got those little mini iris. So let's start with this section here. Something that gets tall, you don't want it right up against the edge. You want to come back a little bit. So I'm something like this high right here.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean? Low stuff, then the medium, then the taller. And I wouldn't go too tall here, but I would have a bunch of different things, and then we go more into shade here, right? So it's the mostly full sun there, then you ease in, right, to a little more shady stuff. You have the versatility with some of the stuff you have. But, and then I would mirror on the other side, not in a fussy symmetrical way, but like continuity wise.